You've asked for it, so I'm delivering. Everybody has asked me, can you play this at lower levels? This is the Bulletproof, the bubble crap strategy. Guys, you want me to roll this out, so I'm going to do it for you. So far, through 6 days, through day 6 on our Bulletproof strategy, we are at $827. If you don't know how we got to $827, the first thing I'm going to say is go watch the full series, 1 through 6. If you've already watched most of it and you're like, well, you know what, that's a lot of money, go check day 6. Day 6, I've already released it. It's up here in the, I'm going to try to link up here in the description or in a little tag above. We made a killing on day 6. You make sure you go watch it if you haven't already watched it. And we did it at a lower level. So day 6 was a $25 don't pass with 96 across with $25 come bets and don't come action. We was able to make over $300 playing the Bulletproof system at the lower level. That's how we was able to make almost $600 when you converted it up to the normal level, $600 profit. So what we're going to do today is we're going to play this at a Bubble Craps level, okay? We're going to start off with $300. You're going to have one bankroll because you're at the Bubble Craps machine. You're playing it by yourself. We're going to have one bankroll at $300, and here's how we're going to roll it out. Now, I'm not going to be able to pay the exact change like they would at a Bubble Craps machine. An example, if I have $3 on the 5 and 9, that pays me $4.20. I'm not going to be able to pay $4.20. Sometimes I'll round it down. Maybe I'll round it up depending on where we're at with that bet. So note that the numbers are going to be skewed a little bit with Bubble Craps because I'm going to have singles. Okay, but this is what we're going to do. Let me show you how it rolls. To start off with, we're going to owe a $10 don't pass. A $10 don't pass. Once we get the point set, let's just call it on the 9. We're going to go up $5 on the 6 and 8. We're going to go $3 each on the 5 and 9 and $2 on the 4 and 10. Okay, this is going to be the initial spread. Let me show you why I've kind of set it up like this. It's not exactly like you would with 160 across or even with 96 across. It's a little bit different. The reason I have that is because when you place your next bet, watch the beauty of this. When you place your next bet, which is going to be on the come, right? So it'll be a come bet. You have $10 here and you have $10 here. If you happen to have a PSO, watch what happens. You'll win here, $10. You'll win on your don't pass, which is great because if you lose, you'll lose 10, this 10, 15, $20 of a loss, and you're winning $20. So it's absolute wash if you play that route, okay? So it's 100% of a wash if you have a PSO. Now, we're going to continue to roll this out. So let me show you what we're going to do next. Let's just say if we have a come bet. Now, the rest of the system's not going to vary too much from the original, right? Let's say you hit a number. Let's call it on the 6, okay? If it rolls to the 6, that'll travel. The come bet will travel. The 6, which is $5 on the 6, would pay you right at $6, maybe just a little bit short. Right at $6. So I'm going to pay that. It's going to come back to your rack, remember? And then we're going to get another one set, another come bet set. Let's say it goes to the 5. $3 will pay you $4.20. I don't have $4.20, so I'm going to give you 4. Now, at this point in time, we're going to do a regression. Remember, we always do the regression. So in this case, we're going to pull down the 4 and 10. It's going to come back. And we're just going to take $1 off the 5 and 9. Not a lot of a regression, but you know what? Coming out here too much, sometimes it's too much. So we're going to go out there with $2 each. So now you're ready to roll this thing where your next bet would be the don't come, wherever it goes. Let's say it goes to the 4. And then you're going to have a pressing sequence, however you want, whether it's $1 or $2, however you want to press it from there. Okay, guys, we're going to roll this out. I'm going to kind of show you, make sure you follow with me. Again, a little bit different of Bubble Craps, a little bit different on the payouts. $300 starting bankroll. Here we go. Let's roll it out. Here we go. All right, guys, here we go. We're all set up. Again, I have a $300 bankroll. I got $200 in greens. I got $100 in red. We are going to start this off with a $10 don't pass. We're going to get a point set. So let's go ahead and do that first. Okay, it's the 5-3-8, the easy 8. So let's mark the point on the 8. I'm going to go $10 on the come bet. And then I'm going to drop down $20. Let's make sure it's 20 for our cross bet. So you have 5, 6 at $5 each. And then we're going to call out here. Again, a lot easier on the bubble craps because you just take it up and put it down. It's going to be $3 on the 5 and 9, and then $2 on the 4 and 10. These are going to be buy bets because technically it is best to buy the bet when you're playing bubble craps. So I'm going to play it true buy bets every time. I'm not going to worry about the commission. Yeah, you have to pay a vig, but you know what, guys? That's my table. I'm not going to do all that. I'm not to worry about it, right? Okay, there's a 9. Come bet's going to travel to the 9. 3 would technically pay me about $4.20. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it, call it 4, lose a little bit there on my table. We're going to go back out there for another come bet. Here we go. And this time it's a 6-1-7. That doesn't help me out at all as a 6-1. However, we will get paid here on the come, and we'll get paid on the don't pass. Okay, everything else is going to be a loss. So not really the best situation there to start off with. However, you know what? Take some, win some, lose some. We'll figure it out, right? Let's turn the puck off and let's go out for shooter number 2. This can be another 8, 6-2. All right. Let's do that on the 8, and then let's do that again. Let's go $10 on the come, $5 on the 6 and 8, and then let's put this one back, and we'll call it. Make sure it's 5 and 5. So you got $3 here and 2 on the 10, and boom. I think we're all set up, ready to roll, and here we go. Let's do the shooter number 2. Can we make this any better? There is the square pair, the hard 8. Not so great because we're going to lose our don't pass. So that's 2 losses on that guy already. Or 1 loss already. Then we got lost the, I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, this is going to travel. All right, that 5 will pay me 6. The puck is going to go off. Let's turn the puck off. And then we are going to go and reset up our don't pass. Only looking for 1 more hit once the puck is turned back on. Okay, there's a 6. Let's mark the point on the 6. Let's drop in another comeback. Okay, looking for another comeback. We need 1 more hit to regress. And we have a 9. That's nice. Okay, here's a 9, 6-3. So this will travel to the 9. That $3 will pay me $4. So let's make it look like 4. And now we're going to pull down the 4 and 10. And we're going to pull $1 each off the 5 and 9. They're only showing $2 now. All right. And the last thing that we're going to do is have a don't come. Okay, don't come is the last bet. Here we go. Okay, there's an 8, 6-2. Perfect. Okay, so this is going to travel to the back of the 8. We're going to win our come bet. That's going to come down. We can replace it. And then now $5 will pay me 6. I can start pressing this up a little bit. Let's just make it look like 6. Now right to $5. How about that? Okay, all right, here we go. 5, 2, 7. Some really short rolls here. Really short rolls. Not so great, right? There's 10 there, and there's 10 there. Everything else, 3 of them actually. I get $10 there too. Beautiful. Actually kind of worked out, right? Got all paid in all 3 places, which is nice. And let's pull all these bets back. This is all going to go back to the rack, so not too shabby there actually. Okay, so let's turn the puck off and let's do it again. Here we go. Okay, we have a 9, 5, 4. Okay, let's mark the point on the 9. Go back out there for $10 in the come. And let's do this. Let's drop down $10 here, and then let's drop down out of my white chips. That'll help me out a little bit. 3 more whites here. Boom. Set up, ready to roll. Let's go. Okay, 4, 3, 7. Okay, we know that that's just a wash, right? Because you win 10 here, and you win 10 here. But, you know, you kind of feel like you want to get a couple rolls out of it, right? But we didn't get anything out of that one. Let's pull it all back. However, that is a nice little wash, which kind of, you know, you take it and go. I dropped a chip on the ground. I threw it off. Threw it out of my hand there. Okay, let's turn the puck off, and let's do it again. Here we go. Okay, it's going to be on the 4, the hard 4. That's the 2-2. So let's mark the point on the 4. $10 down in the come. $10 on the 6 and 8. Let's drop down $10 more for the rest of the bets. Okay, so 3 and 2. 3 and 2. And we are ready to roll. Let's go, shooter. Started with $300. This is the Bulletproof Bubble Crap Strategy. Bulletproof. Maybe. We'll see. 8. This is going to travel to the 8. 5 will pay me 6. I'm going to rack that bet. And I'm going to pull out another one and go $10 in the come. 4, 1, 5. Perfect. We got it out the hand, right? This is going to travel to the 5. 3 will pay me 4. Okay. I'm going to pull down the 4 and 10. I'm going to pull down $1 each on the 5 and 9. So all this is now coming back to the rack. The last bet we need is a don't come. So here we go. And we have an 8, 6, 2. Perfect. Okay. That $10 here will pay me down. And so I can put this back into the rack. That 5 will pay me 6. I've regressed now. So I can go up to a $6 bet. And this is going to travel to the back of the 8. And I think we are ready to roll. Here we go. 9, 6, 3. Perfect. Okay. So $2 will pay me. Let's just call it $2 will pay me $2. I don't know the exact calculation. I'd have to look it up. But $2, let's call it pay me 2. I think it's probably 280 because 20 pays 28, so probably the actual number would be 280. So what I probably could do, I probably could let it pay 3 since I've been shortchanging the rest of it, and I'm gonna press it up 1. There you go. How about that? And then this will travel up to the 9. That makes fair, I guess. Okay, there's an 8, 5, 3. Okay, so we're gonna knock off our don't. 6 will pay me 7. I do know that one. Oh, we can make it look like 8. And I'll put the 5 back into the rack. And we did knock off our don't, so let's go back there for our don't come for $10. And there's a 3 craps 3. That's a winner, okay? So you're gonna win on the don't come. That's gonna go back into the rack, okay? Here we go. Let's keep it going. 10, 6, 4, 10. Perfect. So the don't come is gonna travel to the back of the 10, and we are all set up, ready to roll. Here we go. Aces, dots in both places. Snake eyes, no help to me. Yo 11, still no help, but maybe if you're playing the bonus, it might. I don't know. That's a 9, 5, 4. Okay, perfect. We're gonna pay our 9. It's gonna come down back into the come. That's gonna come down. Again, $3.30 would pay me $3.50. So what I'll do is I'll call it. I'll just call it $3. That's all I have for now. Call it $3 there. Again, I know I'm shortchanging myself a little bit, and I'm gonna press it up 1 unit to make it look like 4. I think we're all set up. Here we go. Let's keep it going. Come on, shooter. 314. Okay. So the come bet's going to travel. We're going to lose our don't pass. That's a loss. Let's turn the puck off, and let's keep it going. Here we go. Okay. Stop. Let's get another don't pass set. That's what we need. Okay. 5, 3, 2. So what's going to be good here is I will remember this bet's always working. I'm going to pay that. It's going to come down. Let's get it reset. Go here. And I think we're good to go. Let's go. Yo 11. All right, that's a winner in the come. This is going to come here, come down. Guys, we started with $300. We are up. I can go ahead and tell you we are up, which is nice, right? And there's a 5, 2, 7. Gosh, okay. That's okay. That's all right. We're going to get paid 3 different places. We're going to get paid in the 10, get paid in the come, and get paid in the don't pass. Guys, not too bad, right? Let's do this for one more shooter. So this will be the last shooter. Okay, let's go ahead and put all this back into the rack, which is very nice. So the last shooter, here we go. Let's turn the puck off, and let's do this one more time. 3 craps 3, a nice way to hit. That's going to come back to the rack. Come on, shooter. Hard 6, okay. So let's mark the point on the 6. Last shooter, let's see how we do. Let's drop it for the 6 and 8 here, and let's just go ahead and drop down 2, 3, and 3. Here we go. All right, and make sure we do our come bet. All right, here we go, guys. Let's see how we do. 4, 3, 7. Last shooter, 4, 3, 7. Absolutely, of course. That's okay because we know that's a wash, 100%, because you can get paid $10 here, get paid $10 here. So let's pull everything back. Let's see how we did. Again, Bubble Craps edition of the Bulletproof. We started with $300, right? Let's move all these over here to the side. Started with 300. Let's see what we finished with. So sorry, 400. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2. This should be $100. 1, 2, 3. I'm actually 1 over. So 100. So that's my starting bankroll right here. That's my starting bankroll, which means everything here is profit, right? So 25. 50, 75. Guys, this is bubble craps. We made this money in bubble craps. 75. That's $80, $85. $85 playing the bubble craps level. Now, how do I want to convert that? If I was playing normal level, let's just say I'm going to be as fair as I can say. Even though I know it's more than double, I'm going to call it double. We'll call it 160, even though I know it's more than that, because what that'll do is that'll put me almost at $1,000 if I convert it with day 1 through 6. At, that's at 820 something. Let's call it 160. So that's almost $1,000 winnings after 7 days if I converted this win up to the normal win. But guys, that's a great way to play. I mean, I love the way you play the double craps, especially with the wash, because if you do have a PSO, which happens a lot, if you do have that PSO, you're not missing much, right? You're not losing everything on it. Guys, let me know, what do you think about this series? Again, this was for 7 days. I'm probably going to do more series in the future, but they're probably not going to be for a full 7 days. They're probably going to be 3-day videos or 3-day series versus the 7 days. But if you do have strategies, guys, I have people submit stuff to me all the time. I don't get to roll them all out. I apologize for that. But if you have something that you want me to roll out, please just go ahead and hit me in the comments, or you can always find my email down in my YouTube link. Let me know what you want to see. Until next time, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the series. If you haven't already subscribed, like, comment down below. It really helps us out. Until next time, mark the point. Stay awesome.